View a page, blog post, event, or a product's additional information in the page editor. Click an insert point where you would like to add your form block. In the block menu, scroll down to the More section and click Form. Once the form settings appear, you can name the form. While in the Build tab, click on the Edit button to configure the default fields. Within each field, you can edit the title, add a description, and make it required for submitting the form. Click the Done button to save it. To add a new field, click the Add Field button. Click the type you would like to add and configure this within your form. Each type will have different configuration options. You can also click and drag them into any order. And remove unwanted ones by clicking the trash can icon. Once done with the fields, click the Storage tab to edit how submissions are recorded. You'll notice that the email option is automatically populated by the administrator email for the site account. To change that address, simply click the X icon, type the new one, and click Connect. You can also click the Connect icons to a Google Docs spreadsheet or MailChimp list. The storage option must be chosen in order for the form block to work. You can also use multiple options. Once done with that section, click the Advanced tab to edit the Submit button text and formatting, and the Post-Submit message. Within the Post-Submit HTML field, you can add HTML code to display in addition to your Post-Submit message. You can also enable the form to display in a pop-up lightbox. When enabled, a link containing the open button text will initially be displayed and, when clicked, will open your form within a lightbox. You can also edit the button text. Once finished with the form settings, simply click Save there and in the page editor. Additionally, on any page where you've added a form block, you'll find 5 tweaks in the site styles to change the appearance of your form block. To access this, click Design and Site Styles. You can then edit the look of the Submit button under the button's options. Once satisfied, click Save. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.